48-hour moisture. Eucerin Advanced Repair Body Cream provides 48-hour moisture for skin that looks and feels healthy. Enriched Body Cream. This skin cream for dry skin is enriched with ceramides 3 and natural moisturizing factors. Fast absorbing. This paraben-free body cream is a lightweight and fast-absorbing formula that smooths, repairs and hydrates dry skin. Free of. Eucerin fragrance-free body cream is dye-free, paraben-free and is gentle enough for use as a daily dry skin body cream. Includes 1 16-ounce jar of Eucerin Advanced Repair Body Cream. Fight dryness at its source with Eucerin Advanced Repair Body Cream. This Eucerin cream provides 48-hour moisture for skin that looks and feels healthy. Eucerin body cream for dry skin is formulated with ceramides to help strengthen the skin's moisture barrier to lock in moisture. It is also formulated with natural moisturizing factors, amino acids that are naturally found in the skin, to boost moisture and help prevent dryness. This Eucerin sensitive skin cream formula is lightweight and fast absorbing to smooth, repair and hydrate dry skin. This Eucerin cream is fragrance-free, dye-free, paraben-free, and is gentle enough for use as a daily skin repair cream. This body moisturizer can also be used as a hand cream or foot cream, and is effective as a very dry skin cream. To use, smooth this Eucerin dry skin cream onto your skin daily. For best results, apply after showering. Eucerin is a dermatologist-recommended skincare brand that is based on an uncompromising approach to science. With skincare products designed to restore and sustain healthy-looking skin, families everywhere look to Eucerin to enhance outer beauty and self-confidence. Top reviews from the United States. Dermatologist-recommended. With hand eczema, there's only a couple of lotions my dermatologist recommended to me. This, Aquaphor and Cetaphil. This doesn't have scent added to it, which is an important factor of it. This particular tub is a thicker lotion that takes a bit to absorb, like really useful for winter especially.